thank you so much guys sa lahat ng aking mga subscriber, mga friends na nakilala dito sa YQ Words, family and relatives, sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa aking channel. This is Mami Leslie Roatual. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat guys, sa walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel kahit na hindi naman tayo vlogger, hindi naman tayo marunong. At least nandiyan kayo, nag-effort sa akin. I really appreciate that. Babawi din ako sa inyong lahat dyan. Okay, guys, nung nagbakasyon kami, tinira ako ng aking hobby. I just wanna share to you ng aking moment doon sa bakasyon namin, family gather, pero sumakit yung aking eyes para hindi na ako gaano gala. Tapos yun, dumaan kami sa outlet ng destin, Florida. Bili kami ng na bar. Napakita natin guys na yung coach natin. Yan yung bag. Yan guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung price niya. Yan, $350. Kita nyo guys yan, $350. But that is good things na pumunta sa outlet, hindi tayo pupunta sa mga mall. Ang kagandahan lang dyan kasi marami silang sale. Yan. And guys, hindi totoo na $350 lang ito guys. Kaya kung minsan nakikita natin yung mga ano natin na ang ganda ng bag niya, yan mamahalin, mga $300. But not it's true. Sa totoong price, $350. But it's only $100. Yan. Sa outlet ko po ito binili sa totoong store nila, pero outlet siya. Doon binabagsak yung mga hindi nila nasa sale sa mga stores, sa mga malls. So doon pupunta para maraming discount, 60% discount. Yan po siya. Hindi po ito totoong $300. Just only $100. Yan. I-share ko sa inyo yung journey namin doon kasi pinagbawalan ako ng security na magkuha ng video kasi budol daw ako. Thank you so much guys for watching me and journey namin sa Curtis. Why are you so angry? Baby's so angry. We are in the stitchers. We're going to Daddy. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
What are you looking for?
Who are you? Leave me alone.
What size you looking for, sir? I can help you. What size you looking for, sir? Huh? You need help? No. Man, woman. Let's go to woman. We're gonna see the woman. Maybe curtains. Let's go to woman area. Go to women area, okay? Oh, we go to kids. Kids. Okay, Curtis. Oh, you have like this Curtis already. It's $14. And this one you have already Curtis. I want the one having a light. What you want to buy, Curtis? What you busy for? You busy also for what? Oh, this one. So you're looking for running shoes also, Curtis, for you? Oh, this one, $44. I think it's nice color. Oh, this is the one I'm looking for. We need the size 7. Size 7. Ow! Sorry. Size 7. Size 7 for Curtis. Try this one. Oh, see, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, can you buy for me? Oh, Daddy, have lights. It's amazing, right? Oh, have light. You like it? You like it? Oh, see, they have light. Oh, they have lid. Ask Daddy buy for you. Daddy is nice. Daddy, they have a light. Drink me. Okay, we're gonna make it for you. Yee. Have light. Gee. You like it? Okay, we're gonna try now. Okay. We are so we are in the outlet. So Salt Life. Salt Life, I know Salt Life. The people who want in the oceans. Buckles, they having a lot of Salt Life. We sell in Buckles Salt Life. Yes. And what's that? Under Armour. I know. Under Armour is like who people here, who the ones sports.
Jogging pants.
So you can buy an Under Armour.
So they have here, but I prefer Adidas. But I like them all.
Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, 40% off. You don't like Under Armour?
No, you can't. They closed off getting any I don't want to buy it. Their stuff is like $60, $70 and then it don't fit. It's like, I can't come back and return it. I'm going to have to try to go through the mail. And then they say, oh, this is an outlet mall. We can't return. So I'm going to be saying, Adidas, I know, because I got one on. I know what size it is. I think Adidas is around the other side. We'll just come back and go home, all right?
All right.
Was there a store you wanted to look at?
What's that?
Is there a store you want to look at?
I want the Louis Vuitton.
Who?
LV.
What store?
Louis Vuitton.
I don't think they have no Louis Vuitton.
Oh, I'm gonna go to Croc. Yeah, I got
Coach, they have
I
Coach.
can't get that cheap one on it.
Unless you want to look, do you want to look at Coach? See what this is a discount store. You want to see what the Coach purses are?
But I just don't wanna spend $200 just only for purses.
This is a discount store. How you know it's 200? It's like a discount store. Maybe it might be 100.
Okay.
You don't want to see?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Inside?
Yeah. But it's okay. I'm having a new one.
You're here. Why don't you go look in?
Oh.
You here? You don't want to go look?
Let's go.
You like the Coach purses, so why don't you take a look at it? See what maybe you might find out.
This one is open.
No,
This
no.
door.
Please use other doors. This is called an outlet factory. Everything here is discount. You might find a clearance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
See? Those are 119.
All right, guys. Have a good
159.
day.
How you doing?
Take care. Watch your step. Hello, guys.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay.
All right?
Oh my God, this is the one I like.
That's 60% off plus 15%.
But I don't like black.
That's a big discount.
How much that?
Just so you know, guys, we also have our shopping assistant. And what it says, you can use your cell phone camera to click.
Alright, we're going to continue. Okay.
Why, you want cookies?
No, not today. So we're going to another store. Oh my God, MK. MK, they're having MK too.
How you doing?
Hi. Next time I wanna buy an MK. I like, yeah, Michael Kors. I like also the purses over there.
All right, now you're getting crazy.
And I want a Louis Vuitton next time.
Oh, Lord.
Vera Bradley, they have also. Vera Bradley. I know.
You're going to want to buy every purse here.
No, Vera Bradley, I like also the handmade. Sorry. I like Vera Bradley. No, that in a state space. I see Adidas over there on the other side.
Huh?
Adidas.
Adidas is 91. Wait, where's the don't say where we at. That's Saks Avenue. What is this next to? What's 90?
How to different?
90 is J. Crew Factory. $80.